Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about bamboo fence design ideas. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. When it comes to enhancing your outdoor space, one material stands out for its eco-friendliness, durability, and exotic charm: bamboo. Bamboo has been used for centuries in various applications, and one of the most appealing is bamboo fencing. If you're looking for a unique and sustainable way to elevate your garden or outdoor area, these bamboo fence design ideas will inspire you. Create a tropical oasis in your backyard by incorporating bamboo fencing. Start by installing tall bamboo panels, which can provide privacy and create an intimate atmosphere. Consider leaving some gaps between the bamboo poles to allow dappled sunlight to filter through. Accessorize with potted palms, tiki torches, and comfortable outdoor furniture for a laid-back island vibe. For a serene and meditative space, go for a Zen-inspired garden with bamboo fences. Use smaller bamboo slats to build a delicate yet effective enclosure. Add gravel pathways, minimalistic rock gardens, and a small water feature like a bamboo fountain. The calming effect of the bamboo and the simplicity of this design will help you find your inner peace. Blend traditional Asian design with modern elements for a unique look. Combine bamboo fencing with concrete planters in a minimalist color palette. Include Asian-inspired sculptures or a Buddha statue for a touch of authenticity. This fusion design can create a stunning outdoor dining area or meditation spot. Rustic and elegant may seem like an unusual combination, but it works beautifully with bamboo fencing. Install bamboo panels with a rustic finish that highlights the texture and natural imperfections. Pair this with wrought iron garden furniture, vintage lanterns, and climbing roses for a charming, cottage-like ambiance. If you prefer a more contemporary style, consider a contrasting bamboo fence design. Combine sleek, dark bamboo panels with white gravel pathways and minimalist succulent gardens. The striking contrast between the dark bamboo and bright white elements creates a modern, chic outdoor space. For a coastal or beach-inspired garden, consider a nautical theme. Choose bamboo fencing with a slightly weathered appearance and combine it with seashell and driftwood decorations. Anchor the design with beach pebbles and sandy pathways. This theme is perfect for creating a relaxed, coastal atmosphere. Turn your bamboo fence into a living wall by using it as a support structure for climbing plants. Plant jasmine, ivy, or bougainvillea at the base of the fence and watch as they create a stunning vertical garden. This not only adds beauty but also increases privacy and provides a natural shade source. Bamboo fencing can be used as a green screen for your outdoor movie nights. Attach outdoor curtains or a retractable screen to your bamboo fence, and set up a projector for an alfresco cinema experience. Add comfortable seating with plenty of cushions, and don't forget the popcorn. Embrace your eclectic side by mixing and matching various bamboo fencing styles. Combine split bamboo fencing with bamboo lattice or rolled bamboo panels. Incorporate diverse plant species, like cacti, succulents, and ornamental grasses, to create a bohemian garden paradise. For a modern twist on Zen aesthetics, use sleek bamboo fencing with clean lines. Install horizontal bamboo slats for a more contemporary look. Pair this with minimalistic outdoor furniture, large geometric planters, and subtle garden lighting to create an urban oasis with Zen-like serenity. Incorporating bamboo fencing into your outdoor space can significantly enhance its aesthetics while maintaining an eco-friendly touch. Experiment with these design ideas and adapt them to suit your personal style and the unique character of your outdoor area. With bamboo, you can achieve a perfect balance of sustainability, beauty, and functionality, creating an outdoor haven that's truly one of a kind. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a bamboo fence design ideas. Thank you.